side up. Yeah, I do the whole 9 for you. When you let me paint it up, I do the whole 9. Get all them dog hairs out of there. Oh. I acided the tanks this morning and pressure washed them, so they come pretty clean. I couldn't get the guy to polish them in time, so I went on and did what I could do for it. They gotta go make some money. The polish can get done later. Touch the frame up. I gotta go. I'm gonna wipe it down a little bit. Yeah. It's 79p. Back up off for you. Took the wing off the top, replaced the fenders.